Bonjour, this is Julien the Frenchman who makes French pronunciation videos here on YouTube, and we are looking at how to pronounce the name of this dish as well as how to say more interesting and so often mispronounced French cooking terms too, so make sure to stay tuned for this. How do you say it? For reference, in France, in French it is said as croque-monsieur, croque-monsieur, which means bite into a sir or somebody, monsieur being sir, French for sir. Anyhow, in English it'd be fine to say it as croque-monsieur, croque-monsieur, a dish that was invented in Paris, France, from French croque-monsieur. And now you know it all. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting French cooking terms and names of dishes whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.